Hello, look what came in the mail. Happy, 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 happy. Okay, I'm actually standing up. I have like 10 minutes left of my work shift and then I can sign out and be done for the night. So I've been waiting all afternoon to open this. This is the May 2022 Sterling Ink subscription. My kids are supposed to be in bed. And it was supposed to be delivered yesterday. I'm being very, very careful. But the mailman didn't really like my dog all that much. So they postponed it till today. I always save these stickers. And I use them in this book. So I'm going to set that off to the side. Oh my goodness. Look how pretty. Okay. I'm going to pull this out. Set the tissue paper to the side. Oh, there it is. I might have to swap out my wine red for pink again. Okay, let's look at the vellum first. I'm watching my clock. Okay, so there's two pieces of vellum. This one has a darker background. Oh, so pretty. And this one is just white. Looks like the flowers on this one are a little bit smaller. And then they're bigger on this one. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so there's the vellum. Here's all the stickers. I always get clear because I like it. Okay. So she includes an A6 calendar on vellum. This is so pretty. Okay. Open this fun. I always save this little envelope too, by the way. Okay. You get 2 monthlies. This is the foiled freebie that matches the kit. This is a vellum sticker calendar. The beautiful business card, which has her stuff on the back. And then the freebie. So pretty. Okay. So I use the business cards and make tabs out of them. So I'm actually going to leave this out so that I can take my April business card and make tabs for April and put that in to replace where my April one was. Okay, on to the stickers. So there's multiple, oh my gosh, so pretty, sheets of deco. This one is, if you look close, you can see they're kind of box-like. We get icons. Love these. 2 sheets with 2 weeks for the days of the week. Here is our numbers. So pretty. Then we have, oh wow, the washi tape's cut out. This is a deco sheet. This is a washi tape sheet. And then this is a washi tape sheet, but they're kiss cut. So this is a full strip right here. So you get 4 thin strips, 2 thick strips, and then it looks like 2 where they're cut out. Ooh, I'm so excited to use this. Another thing that's really, really cool about her is I can show you easiest on this sheet. If you look, she has little flowers throughout that are also individually cut. So you can use these little flowers as deco too. See on this one, there's little flowers right here, over here. So she does that on all of her sheets where the little flowers are also cut out, which makes them so much more fun to use. So we have the large deco sheet, the Kiss Cut washi, the regular washi. Then there are 1, 2, 3, 4 sheets of deco, the icons, 2 sheets for days of the week, and then the numbers. There it is, May's subscription kit. I have sterling ink linked down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hope everybody is having a fantastic April. Bye!